Verse. He has been giving us since the beginning until now. We would thank AOXC and all our teachers for joining us all over the time. But also, I thank all that helped me and gave me courageous, especially Deus Makina, Boaz Borussi, Bintou Rachel, Julien Motabunga, les filles. We don't forget my best teacher, Montepa Lumumba. So, we've been learning English here for a period of 3 months. And thus, here we are to present you our topic, which is entitled The Impact of Alcohol in Youth Life. Here at Kivu, it's become a simple thing with new alcohol returned in plastic bottle, which they call Mukunga. The alcohol takes the first place in the youth life. It is why in our work we do want to tell you the impact of alcohol in youth life, but also we want to tell you the advantages and disadvantages of alcohol in youth life and for everybody. The advantages of alcohol in life. Firstly, why to consume alcohol? Somebody can take alcohol. 1 minute, so.
Somebody can take alcohol and others prefer to take juice, water, soda, and so on. Sometimes you consume alcohol for relaxing. Example, when you're feeling a big work, especially a hot rock. So it's important for many people because it gives them when we overthink at our problems, the alcohol can come to us. When we sometimes the question which is important in our work is which are the consequences of alcohol in youth. Ladies and gentlemen, the risks related to drunkenness are so many, but I will give you some of them. The alcohol can cause of someone the thief. It can lose for us the great relation. So our work concerns you, especially that of the town. Of the town of Goma. Who alcohol is become water by them. We look at advantages and disadvantages of alcohol. We advise her to young people, especially that of Goma, to diminish. Don't take alcohol every day. So if before you took 10 girls, you can take maybe 2 girls. At this moment, we will believe at the best future in our family, in our society, and in our country. As we are not creating injury, we cannot pretend to be perfect. Please, kiss for me the camera.
Kiss our camera.